My project is all about laminitic and veteran horses' feeds and how they differ, but also how they're similar. So it's all just researching what can benefit them to reduce health problems in the future or at the time when they're present. And yeah, so as you can see, we've got lots of photos of the feeds that I chose. I decided to study this because I'm hoping to do veterinary at university. And this is my pony, Honey. So I have a veteran at home, so it was all to kind of do research that I can use in the world around me for her, as well as giving myself a bit of insight that I can use at uni when we learn about nutrition. I quite enjoyed the bit about biotin, which is you might have heard of supplement in humans, but you can also use it in horses, and it helps grow their hooves, and because it's all part of like building up keratin and things, and I found that really interesting how it's quite well linked to humans and horses, how they can both have the same sort of supplements which can benefit them in the same way. I actually quite enjoyed writing the 5,000 word report, which sounds a bit weird, but once you get into it, it was quite good fun. And the research was just nice, researching whatever you like and being able to choose a project which you can sit down and enjoy, because this is all my hobby anyway, so I really enjoyed just researching it really.